Space is cool, but these planets, they're nuts. On Venus, the sun rises in the west. The planet literally spins backward. You'd be sipping your morning coffee in the wrong direction. Trying to land on Saturn? Good luck, it has no surface, you just fall in. It's basically a space marshmallow. Jupiter's got a storm that's been raging for 300 years. Since the 1700s. Wind speeds, like a jet engine. Uranus is tilted 98 degrees. It's literally lying down. One season lasts 42 years. You grab your coat, take it off, still fall. On Mercury, one day lasts 176 Earth days, but a year is only 88. You eat breakfast and wait forever for sunset. The sun's like, I'm not done yet. Which one's the weirdest? Drop it in the comments and subscribe. Earth just isn't weird enough.